Welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase f and then go through some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase f, do a curved line and then cross it in the middle. Curved line and cross. Curved line and cross. Now let's go through some words. F for foot. F for flower. F for ferry. F for forest. And finally, F for fish. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.